In today's video, I want to give you 8 steps to creating a profitable bundle to sell on Amazon. Now, in our last video, we talked about why you should create bundles, and you can find that at the link that shows up on your screen right here. If you don't know why you should create bundles, you should definitely know that, because knowing your why is going to really help you do even better when it comes to creating your bundles. So here are the top 8 steps to create the bundles that are going to be profitable to sell on Amazon. Number 1, come up with your bundle idea. That might seem obvious, but there's a lot of people who are like, oh, what do I do? What do I put together? If you're looking for a resource to help you come up with bundle ideas, I highly recommend the Bundle Idea Book. You can find that at fulltimefba.com/bundle ideas. And it's 10 made for you, done for you bundle ideas that are going to be awesome. But the cool thing about that book is that there's really an unlimited number of ideas in that book. If you go to check out the book, you can see that there's 10 of them that are done for you, but you can easily switch out. Like if it gives you an idea for a Valentine's Day bundle, well, you've got a bundle for every holiday now and every sporting event now, just by creating a bundle focused around that other holiday or that other sporting event. So the biggest tip on what you need to do when starting to create a bundle is to come up with a good idea. So that's step number 1, come up with a good idea. Step number 2 is to pick a theme. Now the theme might be, centered around a birthday party, or it might be centered around a certain type of task in the kitchen, or there's so many, there's an unlimited number of themes that you could pick when it comes to creating a bundle. I'm gonna pick a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle party pack. That's my theme, all right? Deal with it. So we're gonna put together this little Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle party pack, and that's my theme. So that's step number 2. Step number 3, pick your main item. Amazon says that every bundle, in their bundle rules, Amazon says every bundle needs to have a main item, the centerpiece item. And one of the reasons why is because each bundle needs to be in a particular category. And so if your main item is, a big toy, that's going to be in the toy category. If your main item of your bundle is going to be, a kitchen appliance, you need to have it in the home and kitchen category. And so, you can check out the bundle rules, fulltimefba.com/bundle rules. That will forward you to Amazon's page that breaks down all the bundle rules, because there's also certain categories you're not allowed to have as the main item in your bundle. That's step number 3, picking your main item for your bundle. Step number 4, pick your complementary items. Every bundle needs to be put together with items that make sense, that go together. If I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles party pack, and I throw in some weird board game that has nothing to do with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, that's not a good bundle. I need to make sure all of my stuff has something to do with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Same thing if you're making a bundle for kitchen utensils. You don't want to have, a spatula here and a ladle here and a wooden spoon here, and have all these different type of kitchen utensils, and then throw in a plastic dinosaur. No, that doesn't make sense. So anyway, you pick the complementary items that go in your bundle with your main item. That's number 4. And before I get to number 5, some people like to include candy or food items as their complementary items. I suggest not doing that, because then you'll also have to start tracking expiration dates, and that just gets all messy. So I don't suggest, like if you're putting together an Easter basket bundle or a Halloween basket bundle, you can put in your listing that it includes space for candy, but I would not include candy or any type of food related item for those bundles. All right, so step number 5 is buy in bulk. Obviously, if you're making bundles, you want to create a bunch of bundles. You don't want to create just 5 bundles and then they start selling and all of a sudden you sold out and like, oh man, I got to go find all these items again. No, you want to be able to create multiple bundles, so buy in bulk. Go buy your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle large Michelangelo item, and then your complementary items of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I'm doing the party pack, so I'm doing paper plates and a banner and a tablecloth, all of us centered around Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So that just, you want to make sure that you buy in bulk, buy multiple, so that you can make many party packs. All right, step number 6, once you have all your stuff together, you need to enclose all your items, whether it's in a big poly bag or whether it's in a box. You want to enclose them. You enclose all those items in a container that keeps them contained. So again, whether it's a thick poly bag, maybe if you're making Easter baskets or whatever, you can have the basket and then you have a thick poly bag around that, or you want to put it in a box so that it's really protected. Just make sure that when you are putting it in a box or a poly bag, you want to make sure that the items are not damaged when they're moved around. UPS, FedEx, Post Office, they move stuff around all the time. They throw boxes. You want to make sure that nothing in your bundle gets broken or messed up. You want to make sure it's packed very well. So enclose your items is step number 6. Step number 7 of our 8 tips to properly create a profitable bundle on Amazon is to use a do not separate sticker. Now this could be a sticker that you make yourself. If you use a Dymo printer, I use a Dymo printer, I love it. I make my own labels that say Amazon, do not separate, this is a set, or Amazon, ready to ship, do not open. A lot of different possibilities. If you don't have a Dymo printer like me, and you want to create, or if you want to just buy pre-made labels, if you go to fulltimefba.com/separate, that will lead you to stickers that are already created that say, this is a set, do not separate. Now, why am I saying that? When your bundle gets to Amazon, say you have it in a box, well, you want to make sure that that box is not opened and then all the stuff in your bundle is separated. You want the Amazon warehouse worker to know this is a set, this is a bundle, this is a set, do not separate it, this is being sold together as one item. So you want to be sure that you get those items, and with one of those stickers. And then tip number 8 is to create the listing on Amazon. So you go to Amazon and you can create the listing for your bundle. You take really good pictures of your bundle. Be sure to go to fulltimefba.com/guidelines and search image requirements, so you can see what Amazon requires when it comes to your images. You come up with a really good title, keywords, product description, and put in all that information. You want to be able to show you have a unique UPC, that's a universal product code. So you want to have that for your item. Now, Amazon does require UPCs to match up with a particular brand, and they only allow UPCs that are part of the GS1 database. Now, if I'm losing you already, this is simple. This is not really complicated. It's just something that's new that has lots of letters and numbers. So the GS1 database proves that the item that you're selling is attached to a brand. Well, your bundle might be a couple different brands. And so how can you get around this? Well, you can go to fulltimefba.com/GTIN, and that's where you can apply for a GTIN exemption. And then you go in and you say, hey, I'm creating a bundle. This is what it is. Can I get a GTIN exemption so I can use my own unique UPC that I've purchased from a website, a reputable website or whatever, so that I can use it on Amazon. So that's how you do that. Again, fulltimefba.com/bundle rules will give you all of Amazon's rules when it comes to creating a bundle. So you come up with your idea, you find the made item, the complementary items, you pack it well, you put a sticker on it so Amazon doesn't open it up, you create the sales page on Amazon. That's how you create a profitable listing, and you send it to Amazon. You can merchant fulfill it and ship out the items yourself from your home, but I really recommend FBA because, man, if you sell something via FBA, the customer gets it very quickly, usually 2 business days, or faster if they want to pay for it, and they can get it very quickly. So send it to Amazon and start seeing those profits come in. If you want ideas, more ideas on how to create profitable bundles, in fact, I really think it's a book that has unlimited number of ideas if you get a little creative. Go to fulltimefba.com/bundle ideas. It's a book that will walk you through a lot of different ideas when it comes to creating bundles. And if you want the best book there is out there about how to create bundles that actually sell, the customers actually want, and you know that ahead of time so you're not wasting your time or money, check out the bundle book, or the book of bundles. Go to fulltimefba.com/bundle book. You can find out about that right there, be able to get some really good bundle ideas and know how to create bundles that will actually sell on Amazon. So that's it for today. Fulltimefba.com is where you find all the good stuff. Be sure you subscribe to that. And thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you want to. All the links that I talked about, there was a lot of links in this video. You'll find it in the description below. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.